Hi Guy. In this video, I will show you how to enhance your video like this with CapCut and VikPea. If you are searching for some tools that can upscale the video quality, here is the best solution. So first, I will show you how to upscale video in CapCut. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can go to the description below the video to get the official download link, and then we upload the video and click the plus button to add the video to the track. Then we click the video and find the enhance image on the right side. Then it will automatically analyze the video. Just wait a second. Okay, the differences is quite obvious. The next method to enhance video quality is HitPaw VikPea, Video Enhancer. Also, the official link is put on the description area. Free download and launch it. We input the same video, and here you can see many different models on the right side. In this case, we can use General Denoise model and Detail Recovery model. We will try both to figure out the result ladder. On the output setting, we just keep in default. Here we choose General Denoise model and click Preview to have a check first. Wait for a second. Wow, the result is quite obvious, and we can see the fur is quite clearer than before. Let's try another model detail. Recovery model and have a preview. The preview effects of both models are much clearer than the original video. But in this case, the effects of the two models are not much different. We can choose any model to export the video. Let's take a look at the comparison between CapCut and VikPea. What do you think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section.
If you think this is effective in enhancing video quality, don't forget to like us and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.